Hello, this is Katie Cook, BCBA and Director here at ATCC. I'd like to take a moment to give you a quick tutorial about how to get logged in and complete your AB 1172 behavior training. Simply go to www.ab1172.com. Once you're on the website, find the button that says Enroll and go ahead and click that button. You're going to be asked to enter your full name, an email address, and to create a password. You do need to enter the billing information even though you will not be charged for the training if you're doing it through an organization. Once you've entered your address in the billing information fields, it's time to enter the discount code that your company has provided. Go ahead and enter the code provided to you in the email from your company and click the Apply button. You should see that the total goes to $0. You can then select the Buy button. After selecting the Buy button, you should be taken to a page that looks a lot like this, welcoming you. And under the My Courses section of your homepage, you should see your AB 1172 course, and you can go ahead and click the Open button. After selecting the Open button, you should be taken to these pages within your course. Let's take a look at what's inside your course. You can open and close the outline on the left-hand side of the screen by selecting the little black arrows. For each page that you complete within the course, you will be able to read the curriculum and also listen to it by clicking the play button in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Some of the curriculum is videos. Some of the curriculum has links to additional resources. Some of the curriculum offers you additional free resources like this downloadable PDF token economy. Pay attention during your training because there is an exam at the end of your training that needs to be completed with 90% accuracy in order to download your certificate of completion. When submitting your quiz, make sure that you do not select the Next button, but instead select the Submit button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Once you have passed the exam, go ahead and select the Next button in the upper right-hand portion of the screen. You will then be taken to a screen where you can download your certificate of completion. Select the pink button and enter your name. It's important that you do not enter today's date when entering your expiration date for your training. Instead, you will want to enter the date 1 year from today. For example, if today is February 15th, we will want to enter the date February 15th, 2025. Let's take a look at that. 2025 is the year. February 15th is today's date. I'm going to go ahead and select the Claim Certificate button. If you're training for the second or maybe third time and you already have an account with ATCC, make sure that you select the button here indicating that you already have an account so that you can log into your account before checking out for your 2024 AB 1172 behavior training. Once you've logged in, you still need to check out. So you are going to want to scroll down and enter the discount code that your company provided. But there is one important thing that has changed to this year. You do need to enter your billing information even though you are not going to be charged for the training. You'll then be taken to your account where your new 2024 training is waiting for you to open. Select the Open button. And once your course has opened, you will see that you will begin the training, reading and listening to the slides. Remember, you can open and close the left-hand side of the screen to see the outline, by clicking the little black arrows. I hope you enjoyed the training. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions at all at 877-770-2822 or by emailing us at support@atcconline.com.